He's gone for the sun. Coffee in a paper cup, cap pulled low, your name on his tongue. You're the reason that he shows up. He's chasing that white line through the dark and the diesel blue. Every town just a slow down sign, every mile runs straight to you. When a truck driver loves you, every mile will be for you. He'll love you as deep as the hollers in the Ozarks. As long as those straight roads to western Oklahoma, it's a love you can bet your bottom dollar on. He's got your picture on his phone, and on his dash you're riding shotgun home. Rain hitting that windshield, he's laughing at the thunder roll, talking to your voicemail like you're right there in his hole. He knows every cheap diner, every late night exit sign, but your porch is the only place he's ever trying to find. When a truck driver loves you, every mile will be for you. He'll love you as deep as the hollers in the Ozarks. As long as those straight roads to western Oklahoma, it's a love you can bet your bottom dollar on. He's got your picture on his phone, and on his dash